Hello everyone, welcome back to another beautiful journey. Today I'm taking you to one of Tokyo's most relaxing and lively spring destinations, Yoyogi Park, right in the heart of the city. If you're looking for a place where nature, people, and the spirit of spring come together, this is the perfect spot. Let's begin our walk. As we step into Yoyogi Park, the first thing you'll notice is the space. Unlike many parks in Tokyo, this one feels wide, open, and free. Tall trees surround the area, and during cherry blossom season, soft pink Sakura flowers begin to decorate the landscape. The atmosphere here is slightly different from more crowded spots. It feels more relaxed, more local, more alive in a natural way. You'll see people walking, jogging, playing music, and simply enjoying the fresh air. And then, as you walk further in, the cherry blossoms begin to reveal themselves. During Sakura season, Yoyogi Park transforms into a beautiful mix of colors and life. The cherry blossom trees may not be as tightly packed as in some viewing spots, but that's exactly what makes this place special. There's more space to sit, walk, and enjoy without feeling overwhelmed. The blossoms spread across the park, creating pockets of pink beauty everywhere you go. As the petals fall gently to the ground, it almost feels like a soft rain of flowers. The breeze carries them lightly through the air, creating a magical and peaceful scene. This is where you truly experience Hanami, the Japanese tradition of enjoying flowers. You'll see groups of friends, families, and co-workers sitting on picnic sheets under the trees. Some are sharing homemade food, some are enjoying snacks and drinks, and others are just lying down, looking up at the blossoms above. There's laughter, conversation, and a sense of connection everywhere. But at the same time, there are also quiet corners for those who want to relax and enjoy the moment in peace. It's this balance that makes Yoyogi Park so unique. Unlike more formal parks, Yoyogi Park has a very open and expressive atmosphere. Everyone feels welcome here. Let's continue our walk. The pathways here are wide and easy to follow, making it perfect for a slow and relaxing stroll. You don't need a plan, just walk, explore, and see where the path takes you. Every now and then, you'll find a new spot with a slightly different view of the blossoms. Some areas are more crowded and lively, while others are quiet and peaceful. Take your time, there's no rush. One of the best things about Yoyogi Park is how it allows you to disconnect from the busy city life. Even though you're in Tokyo, surrounded by millions of people, this place gives you a sense of calm. The trees, the open sky, the gentle movement of the wind, everything works together to create a relaxing environment. You might find yourself slowing down, breathing deeper, and simply enjoy the present moment. During cherry blossom season, food becomes a big part of the experience. Many visitors bring their own picnic meals, but you'll also find small vendors and convenience stores nearby. You might see people enjoying bento boxes, snacks and sweets, drinks shared among friends. Food always tastes better when you are surrounded by nature and good company. It's simple but very meaningful. Yoyogi Park is also a great place for families. You'll see children running around, playing games, and enjoying the open space. Parents relaxing under the trees while keeping an eye on their kids. It's safe, spacious, and welcoming for all ages. If you enjoy photography, this park offers plenty of opportunities. Combination of open space, cherry blossoms, and natural light makes it perfect for capturing beautiful moments. Try different angles. Look for falling petals. Capture the interaction between people and nature. Sometimes the best shots are the simplest ones. As time passes, you'll notice how the atmosphere changes. In the afternoon, the park feels bright and energetic. But as the sun begins to set, everything softens. The light becomes warmer, the shadows longer, and the mood more peaceful. If you stay a bit longer, you'll experience a completely different side of the park. Find a place to sit, maybe under a cherry blossom tree. Take a deep breath, listen to the sounds around you. This is what travel is really about, not just seeing places, but feeling them. A visit to the Yoyogi Park during cherry blossom season is not just about the flowers. It's about the people, the atmosphere, the simple joy of being present. It's a place where nature and city life comes together in perfect harmony. Thank you so much for joining me on this peaceful journey through Yoyogi Park. I hope you felt like you were right here with me, walking under the cherry blossoms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel experiences. And I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye bye!